Welcome. In this video, we'll show you how to use sections to organize your assessment effectively. Whether you're creating a short quiz or a comprehensive evaluation, sections help you structure your content for better readability and flow. It is important to note that sections only affect the visual organization of your assessment, not how it's scored. To get started, enter the Agolix Assessment Editor, click Edit under your assessment, and navigate to the Questions tab. Locate the Split Assessment By setting directly below the Assessment Instructions text area. By default, the Pages option will be selected. You can enter the number of questions you would like displayed on each page in the provided field. Today, we are going to set up 3 sections for our assessment. Select Sections to begin. The Manage Sections and Add Section buttons are 2 ways to add a new section to your assessment. We will select Manage Sections, but keep in mind both buttons will take you to the same new window. Choose the best button that works for your workflow. I've already created 2 sections, Introduction and Core Questions. Now let's add a 3rd section called Final Thoughts. Under section name, type in the name you'd like respondents to see. The following text box allows you to enter in a description for your section. This can be a great place for additional instructions. For our purposes, we are going to leave this blank. Further down, there is a checkbox that allows you to randomize the questions of this specific section only. By default, this is turned off. Select Save below once you are happy with your progress. You'll notice the next section automatically populates on the left-hand side. By selecting the pencil icon, any existing section can be updated. Remember to select Update to save your changes. Once your sections are created, you'll need to assign each question to a section. We'll do that now. Select Close. When hovering over an empty section, several options will appear. Edit Section will bring you back to the previous editor window. Add Question populates the question format selection window. And on the right, there is an arrow for easy navigation. You can collapse or expand all sections by selecting the Collapse All Sections and Expand All Sections buttons respectively at the top of your question editor. To add an existing question to an existing section, access the drop-down menu in that questions editor to link the question to that respective section. Any questions not assigned to a section will appear at the end of your assessment. Once you've assigned each question to a section and reviewed your layout, don't forget to save your changes. Great job! You've successfully organized your assessment using sections. This structure helps your respondents move through the assessment smoothly, improving both clarity and completion rates. Thanks for watching. For more tips on building assessments with Agolix, check out our other tutorials. And remember, you can always reach your goals with Agolix. See you next time!